Meaning of inhumation.
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 Inhumation. The term inhumation refers to the act of burying a dead body in a grave or tomb. It is a form of burial that has been practiced by various cultures throughout human history, and involves placing the body in a prepared space underground. Inhumation is a solemn and respectful way to lay a loved one to rest, and is often accompanied by religious or cultural rituals and ceremonies. It is a way to honor the deceased and provide closure for their family and community. Overall, inhumation is an important aspect of human culture and tradition surrounding death and mourning.